Yeah, good evening, guys. This is Santosh Kumar Shetty from Spider. Today we'll have a view on the how the Bank Nifty projected you the levels from the morning. Today, keeping in the perspective of the option data and the price action, we got a clear clarity that the market is having the resistance 31300. Any price actions on the lower lows can be seen expected can be on selling side. The selling side target will be on 31,000. When the market reach 31,000, after that, if you go on study the put data, there was no participation. Then with small consolidation, whenever the put data is not having the participation, you would again see that again the market will push back towards the resistance. This is what the entire scenario. We got a clarity in the early morning with option data by seeing the body language of the put option data around 1 o'clock. We got a clarity that the market will again bounce back towards the resistance zone. So let's hope towards the understanding how we interpret the data by seeing the software. Right. We kept the action replay of the today's 9:15 and we're going to suspend. Now the live data is coming. Regular activity, we taken the Bank Nifty. We kept few things which are required for us. Calendar spread 2%, options, open interest charge, change, and we taken this compared to open interest chart. We're having some indicators of the moving averages, super trend, VWAP and tick average. Normally we do regularly 9:15 the market starts. We make the market to get a movement till 9:25. We are updating the data. Updating the data till I've increased the speed of the derivatives towards the 9:25. With that, our next step is to identify the resistance and support zone. How I'm going to identify, I'll show you using the DSR report. So market came till 9:25, the futures. I'm pressing Alt 1, we got a future chart. I'm pressing the 1. The spot Nifty, the spot Bank Nifty opened at 31,000. Always remember, resistance will be above the open, support will be below the open. To get the resistance, I'm just going into the OTM calls. In the OTM calls, we have seen aggressive open interest is changing at the 300. So the today's support resistance is 31,300. In a span of 1 second, we got it. And again, if you go towards the support in the money, 31,000 below, there was a good PC ratio at 30,900. Support is 900, resistance is 300. We got it. The present the market is trading at what price? Nearer to the resistance. So this part is clear. So I'm going here. I'm adding few intraday, few charts. I'm adding the few charts where I've been added the I'm going to add Bank Nifty 31,300 call. I'm adding 31,400 because we are adding the resistance and supports also we are adding on the comparison, which has been decided the range. The support and resistance, what it will give? It gives you the range of the market. So in that range, how the people are participating in the options, you get it from Spider. So data says who is leading? 31,300 call is leading in the early hours of the trade. So we got clear 31,300 resistance, the calls are leading, the price is at resistance. Fine. Whenever the calls are leading, the price is resistance, there can be two things. One, the price can get into consolidation, or the price can get into correction. That is what happened at resistance. When the consolidation happens, it will be on range band for 1 to 1.5 hours. Then it will try to make a build the bottom formation. But in the morning itself, we are seeing the people are just holding the 31,300 call, little bit participation from 900 put also. Fine. So we need a confirmation to price side. So presently at this point of 300 call is leading, 900 put is also leading on second word. We got levels understood clearly. Now we need to understand the body language of the price action. Now I'm increasing the speed of the derivatives. Let us see how the market got reacted. How can we get a confirmation of the trade? So we are seeing the data is updating. The market is not at resistance. Unless there is a consolidation, we can't go for the new breakout. So the price is on the same trend. There is no any lower lows formation confirmation. Let us increase little bit more speed, 50. Oh, it's gone to 250. It's got stuck. One second. Okay, let us decrease the speed to 1. Right. Now time was around 10:30 now. We have seen small correction. Then the price again not able to make the range. If it want to come down from the range and show the lower low cycle, the price should break down this lows, because this is a 3-minute chart. We go to 3-minute chart. We have seen one small correction. Again width. Again this low breaks. Then it will come down into the correction mode. Fine. So at 10:30 now, let us increase this mode speed. If you see the data till now, I'm just updating the data of this one. Still the calls are leading. The calls are going on leading in the market. The price is in range bound. The price should confirm the lower lows. Lower lows format should come, because it's a one low. When this low triggers, the price should it's confirming that I will be on the lower side, lower low structure. So if you see here, the price got breakdown after 1 hour of range at a time of 31,296 was this low. It got down 31,296 around 10:30. Should right 10:30. After the breakdown, the chart shows that market is converted into the lower low structure. If there is no buying participation comes, then it's clearly saying that there was being clear cut. People are shorting 31,300 short, 300 calls. Then the market may go towards the supply of 30,900. We are already having the put data build up, and if you go on to the supply point also, the support has been changed from 30,900 to 31,000, because the put call ratio got weightage. So the market as and now it stopped getting support from here. People are clearly indicating that they are on the short side of 31,300. Then the market should supply the point of 31,000, because PC ratio shifted from 900 to 31,000. So we have seen a clear cut correction for next 2 hours towards the level of the 31,000. Once this lower low structure breaks, then we can be on the short side. So next 2 to 3 hours, the market clearly shows I will not be able to go above 31,300. Then it can come towards the support of 31,000. Today we have seen there's a fast reaction from the stock side, from the price side. That is what happened. In the futures, the market came till 31,000. Fine. It adjusted the level of 31,000 in the spot level. So now we understood about the supply of this one. After 31,000 supply, whether we have a view that the market, if it breaks 31,000 also, it get into correction mode. Then we clearly seen, if you understand the data of the after touching this one, if you see the data of the open interest, we are clearly seeing that only calls are being leading. There is no any good participation from the put side. So let us see that this is being updated. This has been done on 11 o'clock. After 31,000 done, we got a huge rally. We know 31,300 is going to be an upper side resistance for throughout the day. Then after understanding the market for next 1 hour after support, then it should take support at the support levels. There is no any participation for the put side also. Markets may take around 30 to 40 minutes to make a lows needed to the supports. During that phase, let us understand the option data. So almost it's almost 11 o'clock now. We got a low around 10:50. Let us wait more 30 minutes. Let us wait more 30 minutes. Let us data comes till 11:30. When lows have stopped, then we can understand this thing. Now if you go towards the, decreasing the speed to 1, now it's around 11:15. If I understood if I dig the data, we are clearly seeing that there is no any huge variation from 10:30 to 11 o'clock in terms of within the range options. There is no any huge participation of the huge participation. So at this lows there is no any fresh build up of the in the option side, in the put option side. Generally after touching support, after touching the support of the PC ratio, when the puts of data there is no any incremental growth, still the morning trend is continuing. The market will make some basement building and it will retest its previous highs. So guys, if you can able to go with the data always say proactive. Now this data is already saying the proactive that I may not be able to go lower. Once it got a breathing bottom formation, then again it will retest back towards this resistance. During that process of time, we have seen clear cut more open interest build up after 12 o'clock in the 31,300 call also. Let us go some little bit front. Now it's around 11:30. So we have seen the market is doing the ranging exercise. So unless there is a double bottom, any two bottoms happen, that can be an indication that range has been formed. So if you go towards 11:30 now, if I see the data, we have seen the only calls are adding from 11 to 11:30, and the price is not falling. Calls are adding. So it can be so still when the price is not falling, calls are adding. Then if the price falls, that could be indicate that weakness. With that puts are also building up, it clearly indicates that there is a more weakness. But when price is not falling, calls are leading, puts are not building up, means market once it got base formation, then they can see one more upside towards the resistance. There is no any participation of the put side in terms of the leading side. So the market has been functioning on the ranges. Then we have seen this is the double bottom. When double bottom is formed, then the calls are already adding, the price is started moving, the market will go and touch towards its previous resistance. So in this way, if you can understand the price correlation data, and spider is the one thing which can give the information more clarity in charts, then you can plan the trade rightly. So guys, start working on the option data, use the good applications that can surely assure you that can make you more clarity about the participation in the Bank Nifty. This video is for education purpose. If you really like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanking you.